I decided I needed a break from the wings, so I started the fuselage sides. I laid down the plans, built the sticks over them, two sides, identical, and I made sure there were 9-degree angles all around and joined them. Pretty straightforward, and took special care in making sure everything was straight. Here's the completed fuselage mainframe. Now I have to add servo rails with rudder and elevator servos right here in the wing bay. Then I add all the formers and then the stringers. Here are the HS-55s mounted on the balsa rail, and then I added the top formers followed by a basewood center stringer, and then here's a tricky part on the tail. Just give you guys a close up. Then I started the side formers with the basewood stringer every second stringer to make it stronger, and here's a rudder mount. Pretty large scar. Now the side and top formers are on and the stringers are attached, and as long as with the rudder mount, I need to build up the horizontal and vertical stabilizer so I can fit the push rods and start the nose wheel retract, and then I can add the bottom formers because I need the room to get in there. I first bent the elevator joiner wire, and I built up the structure, and then the two elevators with the hole that goes in the elevator joiner wire, as you can see here. And then I started the rudder. Basically, the D4 and D3 go up after you laminate the rudder mounts. Then a lot of trimming was required to get the stabilizer to fit into the fuselage, but I got it done. And then here's a good picture of them mounted. Then I decided to start priming and painting. Finally got above 70 degrees, first time in like 2 weeks. So here's a nose cone painted, and then I just basically primed everything else. You can see with gray gold primer from Testers. Then I add the retracts. I just kind of put them on there. I had to shim them because of the angle of the dihedral, and then I started adding the control cables you can see here. So that's it for part 3. See you part 4.